Welcome to RC's RC Cars, a channel dedicated to showing you how to build your own RC car. Today we're going to continue building this Kyosho Fantom PZF T-33 pan car kit. This is going to be part 8 of the build series, and we're going to be working on step number 10. We're going to add to the motor mount that we built in the previous video. So let's get started. We're going to need the contents of this bag. Okay, so this is the piece we're going to be working on, and it looks like it's going to be this way. There's a cutout right here, which is there, and I've kind of separated out the parts already. So I think the first part we're going to do is this right here. So there's going to be a standoff, a orange O-ring, which is going to be these small ones right here. And we're going to thread this from the back side. And then we're going to add an E-ring onto that, which is going to be this right here. All right, very simple, just like that. Let's do this side. There we go. Okay. Next, we're going to assemble this part right here. And we're going to need the screw, which is going to be this one. And I think I separated it out to here. So it's going to be that one. It's going to protrude from the bottom. And then we're going to have this little standoff. I don't know if you can see that. I think that is a screw, so this is going to be threaded. Okay. And then we need 3 of these washers. We're going to drop that on here. Like that. And then next is going to be the O-ring. It's going to be this one right here. Going to be this small black one. Alright, next is going to be this piece right here. And note the direction. It's going to be like that. And then we're going to drop this on here. And that's why we did these sides first. And now we're going to put on one of these black washers. And then the nut right here. And I'm going to use this cross wrench on this side. Okay, and now we're going to add this piece on. Alright, so here is that carbon fiber piece, which is this right here. And from the bottom we have this screw. And it's going to come up like that. Then we're going to have one of these black washers. Okay. And then we're going to add this piece in this direction. Okay. And then the second black spacer. And then this nut. And now let's tighten this up. All right, very cool. Very different. All right, that was step 10. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.